If we want to be followers of Christ, disciples, we have to deny self, take up our cross, and follow him. Matthew 16:24. We have to die to ourselves. Not a physical death, but our flesh has to die. Everything in it, greed, overeating, whatever it is. Some of us, whatever it is, lies, sex, dishonesty, stealing, robbing, killing. We have to change within. Our old way of life has to die. We can no longer be the same. So when I say we don't blend, that's what I mean. That is what God is trying to tell us. We are no longer of the world. We don't belong to Satan. Even if you're in a situation right now that you're doing satanic things, anything that is not of God is a sin. Anything that's not of God is a sin. Period. So you and I, we have to walk upright. It doesn't mean being perfect. It doesn't mean being holier than thou. It means striving for perfection till he calls us home. We can no longer exist in this world and think we're going to make it in a way without God. We can't do anything without God. I don't care what it is. Whatever profession, whatever investing, whatever it is. Pastoring of the church, anything. You have to have God. I want to make that clear. We have to be of the Lord. And we'll have to allow him in to die to ourselves. Our old way of thinking, our old way of moving. You know how when you were a child, you have to do as your parents say, right? You still have to do when you get an adult. At a certain point, you still have to do as your parents say. Because when you try to make a move that is not right, lined up with what your parents said, even when you was a kid, you remember, Mom told me not to do that. Even when you get an adult. But you so prideful, you when I say you, I'm talking about me and you. We so prideful, we think because we're grown, we can do it our way. God says, time out for that. It's my way or no way. Align with me. And I'll let you know if what you're desiring, if that's my will. So we have to align with the Lord. Make sure you get into your studies. Matthew 16:24, all the Gospels, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, and begin to allow the word to take over your thinking, your heart. Because once the word gets in your heart, it begins to get in your head and renew your mind. Have a blessed day.